Hello and welcome to my presentation on my theme for EDCI 270. The theme that I chose for my presentation this semester is atomic structure in the periodic table. I'm majoring in chemistry education, so I thought this would be pretty appropriate. Why study atoms? As you can see, the theme I've selected for my EDCI course is the atomic structure and periodic table. This theme will focus heavily on explaining subatomic particles, protons, neutrons, electrons, and their respective roles within the atom. Additionally, topics such as atomic mass, atomic number, and isotopes will be covered under the wide umbrella of the topic I've chosen. So how does this relate to Indiana State Learning Standards? It's kind of cool because I picked this theme before looking at the state standards, but then actually when I went and looked at the 8th grade physical science requirements, it matched up almost perfectly. Specifically, sections 1 and 3 of the physical science requirements match up really well with this theme, so I was excited about that. Yeah, you can see here the requirements if you want to pause and read them. Another reason I gravitated towards this topic was because of a really great experience I had with cadet teaching last year. I got an opportunity to help out my old 8th grade science teacher in his classroom, help them conduct labs, grade papers, and a lot of the students really enjoyed the topic of chemistry, so that is a large part of what inspired me to use this as my theme.